How to remove V-seals. Begin by isolating the power source. Next, unscrew the two M5 bolts and take the cover off. Remove the lid. Now loosen the Jubilee clip. Carefully disconnect the hose from the unit. Grab a 10mm ratchet and on one side, loosen the coupling and slide it down. Move to the other side and loosen the coupling there. Using pliers and a screwdriver, remove the 3 M5 screws along with the bolts. Then remove the earth connection screw and bolts. Repeat the process on the other side with the 4 M5 screws and bolts. Carefully remove the motor mounting plate. Be sure to press the red button to prevent it from catching when pulling the plate out. Find the top of the pin, then using a 4mm punch, gently tap the pin out. Rotate the roller, and with a pair of pliers, extract the pin. Gently pull out the shaft. Remove the old V-seal, then clean the shaft. Now remove the roller and clean the inside. How to replace V-seals. On your V-seal, you will have a suction cap and a flat part. When placing your V-seal on the shaft, ensure that the suction cap is facing the tank. Carefully position the shaft back into place. Place another V-seal about 2 to 3 inches down the shaft with the suction cap facing inside the tank. Then pull the roller shaft back and leave it for now. Place the roller in its position and gently insert the shaft, ensuring it is properly aligned. When replacing the pin, ensure to use a new one. Using pliers, position the new pin on the roller cap. Using the back of the 4mm punch, gently tap the new pin into position. Reinstall the motor in its place. On the left side, secure the motor with the 4 M5 screws and bolts. On the right side, secure the motor with the 3 M5 screw and bolts for the last screw. Place a serrated washer nut onto it before attaching it to the unit. Once all the screws are in position, tighten the bolts on 3 of the screws. Once in position, attach a serrated washer nut onto the screw, followed by the earth connection and an M4 full hex nut. Secure with a bolt. Tighten the earth connection. Slide the right coupling upward and secure it tightly. Next, proceed to tighten the coupling on the left side. Reconnect the hose, then tighten the Jubilee clip. Grab a flat tool and firmly press the V-seal against the exterior of the tank. Then repeat the same process for the interior. Place the lid back on. Place the cover back on. Then tighten the 2 M5 bolts. Lastly, turn the power back on.